What's going on, guys? Bird here, and we're back with free code camps to learn CSS variables by building a city skyline, and we are on step 77. So don't worry about the space at the bottom. Everything will get moved down later when you add some height to the element at the top of the building. Add a repeating linear gradient to FBC1. So let's go down here with a 90-degree angle. So what do we do? Repeating linear gradient with a 90-degree angle, and I think what we have to do is put var building color 4. That is not right. A background. Color. How do I do this? Do we do this before? I don't know how to do this. Before all we did was var, and then the building color. But that can't be right because it's asking us to do this part, and I don't know how to do that part. Repeating linear gradient. Let me see here in a new window here how to do repeating linear gradient. And this says to do a background, but this says background image. Let's see, repeating linear gradient, and then we do building color 4, but it's supposed to be 90-degree angle. This is not right. Not right at all. Let's get some help here. Let's see. Okay. Alright, so I messed this all up. I was super confused. So we just do background, I think. Building color 4. And then we do var building color 4 10%. Nope. Comma. Let's see if that's it. Awesome. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Okay. You can add multiple gradients to an element by separating them with a comma like this. Example, gradient 1, gradient 2. Add a repeating linear gradient to FB1C below the one that's there. So below this, we do background why is this? Oh snap. Okay, delete. Why is this not working here? Let me just type it out. Maybe this is gonna change, but I feel like this is not in the right spot for some reason. Well, it's not changing anything, so we're gonna do building color 4. For 0% to 10%. I don't think that's right. So am I supposed to change this now? Below the one that's already there. Comma, I think. Let me delete this. Is it still supposed to be 90 degrees? It doesn't say anything about that, but %. 10%. Window color 4. And this one needs to be 10%. And then the same thing and to 90%. And then we don't need a comma, right? Should not alter the first one. Did I alter the first one? Let me copy this right here. Copy. Reset. Alright, so below here, paste. Zero to 10%. There we go. We didn't need the 90 degrees, so that's what was holding that up. All right, on to the next one. All right, you're going to use some more border tricks for the top section. Add a border bottom with a value of border bottom. Where am I adding it to? To FB1A. Do I have an FB1A? I guess not. Dot FB1A. Border bottom. 7 view height solid. Var. Building. Color 4. This will put a 7 view height border on the bottom, but since the element has 0 size, it shows up as a 2 pixel wide line from the 1 pixel border that is all on all the elements. Okay. When you increase the size of the left and right borders, the border on the bottom, I wish we could see more of this here. The border on the bottom will expand to be the width of the combined left and right border widths. Add 2 VW solid transparent as the value of border left. So border left. And border right. They will be invisible, but it will make the border on the bottom 4 VW wide. Okay. On to the next building. Nest 2 div elements with an FB2 and give them the classes of FB2A and FB2B. So div class equals FB2A FB2B in that order. All right. Give dot FB2A a width of 100% and dot FB2B a width of 100% and a height of 75%, not money, percent. All right. Nest 3 div elements with an FB2B, give them a class of FB2-window. Okay, so we're going to do div class equals FB2B FB2 window. And I'm just going to copy this. So it's 3 div elements, so 2 and 3. Alright guys, we are at the 15-minute mark, so I'm going to stop here on episode 83, and on the next episode we're going to start 84. But I want to thank you guys for hanging out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye!